Hi friends, welcome to VJTech 360. In this video, I am going to show you demo about the container instances. So for that, what we have to do is you need to type the container instances. So you can search for this service. You can click on the container instances. Now what you have to do is you need to click on the add and you need to click on the subscription. Then I have a free trial and resource group you can see. So I'm just going to create the one more uh, resource group which is called as container. Okay, container. I created a new resource group for this. You need to give the container name. Okay, I'm just giving JTech. So this was matched. Okay, match found and value should be 1260. Instance name must be unique in the current resource group. Okay, ensure you remember all these things. Okay, it should be unique in this particular resource group itself. Okay, and you need to select the region and image source. They had given three options here. Okay, for that what Microsoft had did is like they had created a container images already. Okay, and they give it as a quick start images. And if you see Azure Container Registry, you can upload your own container and you can deploy it. Or if you have a Docker image with you, you can make use of that also. Right now what I am trying to do is I am just going to use quick start images, which is Microsoft ACI Hello World program launched in the Linux. And if you see size, you have a option here to change. But see, do you opt for the operating system here? No, it's already there in the Linux. So the base host operating system will be the Linux. Okay, and if you see size, you can change it. I am okay with the one virtual machine with 1.5 GB and 0 GB CPU. So I'm fine with this and click on networking. Like you want to use this container public or private or none. Okay, so I'm okay with fine. So you need to give the DNS label because this container host is going to launch as a web application, right? So you need to have a DNS address for that. For that, what Microsoft had done is you need to select your name label. Okay, and they had added the region.azurecontainer.io. Okay, by seeing this URL itself, people can understand that this particular website is launched in a Azure container. Okay, in such a way you can identify that. So right now I'm just giving my channel name vjtech360.eastus.azurecontainer.io. So when I'm going to enter this URL, particular URL in the browser, you can able to see the content which you had there, which is there in this inside this image. Okay, right now it's a hello world which was given. Okay, and again I'm back to the screen, networking screen, and what ports you want to enable. Okay, so the TCP/IP, which is a HTTP, you are aware. So if you want to have any other TCP like HTTPS port number, you can give it that, or if you want any other, you can give that customized, you can do it, right? So that you can enter that port number and you can give the what type of, whether it is a TCP protocol or UDP protocol, you can give it and just type advanced. Okay, so configure additional container properties. These are just additional properties, no need to worry about that. Click on next. Click on, if you are interested, you can give the tags and you need to click on the review plus create. Okay, now it is going to validate whether I had given proper inputs or not. So once it is validation is completed, it has to show the final validation passed. Okay, now you can see the validation is passed. Now what you have to do is you need to click on the create. Okay, now you can see that the initializing deployment. Okay, hardly it will take less time. Okay, I am not pausing my video, I'm just continuing it. So if you click on the notifications, you can see this deployment is in progress. So previously whatever is there, it will be there. So deployment in progress. So if you want to download these details, you can download from here. And what is the resource group, you can go there. And what is the start time, you can see that. Okay, what are the inputs, what are the outputs, what is the template is just like one code. Okay, so everything you just remember, like in this cloud computing world, everything is written in a code. They call it as a infrastructure as a code. Okay, so this is a JSON format. So by taking this template itself, you can launch your virtual machine or container or any other resource multiple times. Okay, you can download this template, you can modify it, and you can deploy it. Like that you can do it. Can you see deployment get succeed? Go to resource. So compared to virtual machine, this will take less time. Okay, so what I have to do is, now overview is there. You have a FAQDN, which is the DNS address. You copy that one, go to browser, copy paste that. You can see some welcome page. Can you see welcome to Azure Container Instances and the container instance symbol? So this is just a welcome program. Like that you can have your own container image and you can deploy your own website. Okay, so that will be taught you in Azure developer course or Azure architect course. They can teach you. So but this is how you can launch the Azure container. I hope I help you how to configure the container instance, and I showed you how you can enter the DNS address and get this image here. Okay, I hope this help you. Thank you. Bye.